Where is the model number on an LG washer? This is the top load. Kind of expected that it'd be in here somewhere with that sticker that used to be inside of the lid on a lot of the washers. And then next place I checked was on the back, and I thought, oh, maybe they just slapped it somewhere right along here. It's not there either. On one side, I've got a customer service number sticker here, and the washer model number is actually on the other side on a sticker, serial number, and then right below that, you got your model number. So if you have one of these top load LGs, you're gonna find your model number right there. It's kind of hard to see, especially on the ones that are different colors, because that sticker is silver, and this is kind of a charcoal color washer. So that's how you can find the model number. Then that gives you the ability to search for the parts that you need. Thanks for watching. Good luck on your project.